A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's.
Like, does this make you guys feel triggered?
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Hello, it's LL. I am super excited today. The hurricane is gone. I think there's another one coming though. Hopefully everybody stays safe. But for now, I'm getting to go out on my boat. It has been way too long. I say my boat, but actually I'm a member at Carefree Boat Club, as you might know. It's amazing. I don't have to clean the boat. I don't have to take care of the boat. If something happens during the hurricane, it's not my problem. Sorry guys. But nice on my part. But super excited going out with my friend Steph today. Hopefully we're gonna shoot some nice fish. We're gonna check out some wrecks. We're gonna check out the reef. I've got my black and blue charters lucky hat on. I miss you guys in Canarias. Definitely want to get back there for bluefin season. If you guys are into popping for big tuna, like that's where you need to be. Yeah, and also I want a prize. I'm so excited. Keep watching. I'm gonna go pick it up from the club. All right, love you guys. I'm so excited. This is my prize. I'm here at Carefree Boat Club. This is Brendan. He's the director of memberships.
Hey guys, how you doing? Just wanted to just go over a little bit about Carefree. We do have 34 boats down here at 4 different locations: Pompano, Fort Lauderdale, Aventura, Coconut Grove. We do everything for you: cleaning, washing, fueling, insuring. You guys are just here for the fun part, to go out for the day and use the boat to go fishing, cruise around, do whatever. We also do have Carefree Marine Group for boat sales. We sell Sea Pro, Pioneer, we sell Avenger. We do also sell some sailfish. So in any case, if you guys wanted any type of boat, any center console or fiberglass boat, we definitely can offer that for you. So feel free to give us a call here at Carefree Marine Group.
Yeah,
so thank you guys so much.
I love the club. You guys know this. I talk about it all the time. Super excited for the cooler. Hopefully we're going to get some fish in it. We're definitely going to put some drinks in it and have a great day out on the water today.
Awesome.
Here we are in Pompano Beach, Florida. This is our very first dive spot for the day. Putting my hair back because I don't want to worry about knots and tangles. Okay, enough about aesthetics. Let's focus on fish. As I mentioned in my last video, I do like to load my gun on the boat because you don't know what you might find right when you jump in, and I like to always be ready. Also, quick shout out to my friends over at Nautilus in Miami who hooked me up with these awesome pink bands. Is there anybody home?
Oh, I thought there was. I think there's even inside.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. And I dance the night away no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. And I dance the night away no matter what
So far, this has been such a great day with a variety of fish on the boat. We had grouper, we had triggerfish, we had snapper, and also enjoying all of the beautiful nature around us. Look at this jellyfish with some tiny fish living inside it. But of course, there's always room for one more. I was a little bummed that I couldn't get a good shot lined up on this Cerro mackerel. They're super fast. But today my friend Steph was even faster. This was her very first Cerro.
Dude, and I was coming to tell you that we had to be done because like it's the end of the day. Awesome. Hell yeah, that's a nice fish. Right?
As you can see, nothing is ever wasted. All of the fish that we shoot are used for food for us and our friends and our families. Everything is going to make such a delicious meal. Definitely doing more catch and cooks in the future. I really appreciate all of you watching and subscribing and commenting and liking and letting me know how I can make these videos better and better for you while I do what I love.
Say hello to everyone. Hello, I taste really good. Bam. Not a bad shot too, huh? Got him.